Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling LeetCode question number 349, intersection of two arrays. It is a classic search and comparison problem that is perfect for learning how to check for shared elements between two collections. What is the question? Imagine you and your friend are planning a party. You write down a list of your favorite snacks and your friend write down a list of their favorite snacks. The intersection of your two lists is simply the list of snakes that both of you wrote down. The rules are simple. Every item in the final list must be unique. No duplicates allowed. We can return the item in any order we want. Our goal is to write a program that checks two integer array and return their unique intersection. What will the approach? We are going to solve this using a very inductive nested loop comparison technique. We create a result vector called ans to store our shared elements. We use an outer loop to look at each element in the first array num1. For each element, we use an inner loop to check if it exists in the second array num2. We will find a match. We cannot just add it right away. We have to make sure we have not already added it to our ants list. To do this, we use C++ inbuilt function standard find function. If it's not already in ants, we push it in. What will be the time complexity? 0. 0 and upon times m upon times u, where n and m are the size of the array, two array, and u is the size of the unique interaction. The nested loop takes 0 n upon times m comparison and checking for duplicates in our output vector takes 0 u times what will be the space complexity 0 1, which is a great advantage of this approach because we don't use heavy additional structure like hashtag headset. Now I will do the code. After that I will explain how the code works. Now I will explain how the code works. We start by declaring our result vector int ans. Next, we set up our outer loop to iterate through num1 using the pointer I inside our setup our inner loop to iterate through num2 pointer j. If we find a match, meaning if num1 I equal num2 j, we then check if this number is already in our result vector. We write if find ans dot beacon ans dot end num1 I equal answer dot end. This search check if the entire answer vector, if if it reaches the end without finding the answer, it means it's unique. So we push it into ans those push back num1 I. Finally, we return answer. This is a solution for LeetCode question number 349, intersection of two array.